Growing up, many young girls look up to ballerinas. I also admire their elegant, graceful, yet strong demeanor. My way of Balletcore makeup accentuates your features in a natural, sheer, yet radiant way. Today I'll be showing my version of Balletcore makeup, which you could even adapt for your own everyday look. When it comes to complexion, I will keep it lightweight but still radiant. So I'll be putting an oil serum on the area I want to glow from within. This is the product that gives you that just apply skincare glow that lasts. Doesn't feel greasy or oily, but it just feels hydrating in a light way. To keep my base makeup lightweight but still get some coverage, I'm going to use a corrector. This is the most natural shade of corrector I ever used, so that it gives that natural look on my skin. Using a peach shade, I'm going to color correct the under eye dark circle area, and as you could see, it instantly brightens the area with a light single layer of the product. To achieve an even complexion, I'm going to use a foundation. The consistency is liquidy, so it is good to use a flat foundation brush. Starting from the highest point of my cheekbone, where it's thicker than the rest of our face, I'm going to swipe it and blend the edges until it looks natural. After applying it evenly, I'm going to tap with fingertips and brush to make the look natural and not patchy. You can see the complexion looks natural and even. I have some pimples on the side of my cheek and a bit on my nose, so I decided to use the foundation that I used to cover. Using a Q-tip to spot the exact area, I will cover the desired spot, and then I blend a bit to make it natural. Next, my most favorite part of today's makeup look is cream blush. To gauge which and how much color I'm going to use for the look, I like putting a blush first because it will be the main color of today's look. Using a cool tone light pink shade cream blush, I'm going to be gently tapping the side cheek area while blending the front cheek and temple. I keep adding more colors until I get the look I want. Using a translucent setting powder, I'm going to mattify the area where I don't want glow. This is not a product that mattifies the look a lot, but more like a subtle effect, so you could barely see the effect on the camera. Using a light beige eyeshadow, I'm going to shade my lids. If I use a pink shade again on my eyes, the overall look would be too pink. So I decided to place a beige shade on my eyes instead. This will give a natural color to the eyes. I'm going to apply it on the lids as well as along my lower lash lines. After curling my lashes, I'm going to tightline with a black pencil eyeliner. To draw eyeliner, I'll be using a deep brown eyeshadow instead. This shade contains a bit of shimmer, so it gives you that softer look. I gauge the eyeliner area when I look at the mirror and then slightly extend the lines little by little. For eyelashes, I don't use a product with too much of volumizing or lengthening effect, so I chose the one that gives me a natural, low-key look. It gives me enough emphasis without any flake or clumpy look, which is why I love this product. I'm applying it on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. With an ashy brown eyeshadow, I'm going to roughly fill in my brows and then brush them with a spoolie for a minimal look. Since the cream blush look appears less obvious while applying other makeup products so far, I decided to add more color with a powder blush. I saw so many compliments about this product on the internet everywhere, and now I get it. It creates a beautiful rosy glow onto your cheek in an elegant and natural way. I applied it over the cheek where I applied the cream blush previously, and then I blended the color all along my temple and even my lids to connect it all. Next, I decided to add more glow, but a sheer glow with a liquid highlighter. This is the product that contains subtle white shimmers in it while reflecting it onto your skin with a liquid glow. I'm applying it on the area where I want more highlight. Before applying a lipstick, I'm going to apply a lip liner. I was not a big fan of lip liner, but once I found these products, I cannot skip applying it whenever I do a full makeup look. I'm obsessed with this product because the shade and formula allow for the most natural overlining lip look. Next, using a light pink shade of liquid matte lipstick, I'm applying all over my lips. To get more of color and to add some shine to my lips, I decided to put a bit of red color lip gloss on. So this was my version of Balletcore makeup. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I tried to make the look natural and subtle but still give it a pop of color. If you ever follow this makeup tutorial, please do not forget to tag me because I love seeing you guys recreating my look. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!